Now students, let us learn how to find square roots of rational numbers. First question from exercise 3.6. Question is, simplify the following and write in the form of P over Q. I am taking third part here. The question is to find the square root of 27 1 by 25. Now the question is written in mixed form. So first of all, we will write it in the form of fraction, and that will come out to be 676 upon 25. Okay, now here when we simplify, we will find square root of numerator separately and square root of denominator separately. If you start finding the square root of numerator, that is square root of 676. I'll start pairing from the right hand side. This digit will remain as it is. Now the perfect square which is less than 6 is 4. That is 2 2s are 4. So I will be solving here. It will be 276 will be taken all together. This number will be multiplied by 2. It will become 4. Now when I try to solve this, I found that this number will be multiplied by 6. So let's write 6 here. It will be, that is 276. Therefore square root of this number I can write this way as well, 26 into 26. Now 25 is a perfect square, that means 5 into 5, or I can say this number can be written as 26 upon 5. Therefore the given number square root of 27 1 by 25, I have written this in the form of P over Q, that is 26 upon 5. Let us discuss one more question here. Question number 2, second part. We need to find the square root of 1225 divided by 12,321. Again, what we'll do, we'll find the square root of the numerator separately and square root of denominator separately. Okay, when I'll start finding the square root of numerator, according to the rule, I will start pairing the digits from the right hand side. The number is coming out to be 12. Now the nearest perfect square which is less than 12 is 9. That is 3 3s are 9. Okay, now this number will be multiplied by 2. It will become 6 here. 3 will be the remainder. 25 will be taken. Okay, now when I try to multiply this number by 5, that is 65 by 5, 325. So this number is divisible by 5, that is 325. So square root of 1225 is coming out to be 35. Let us find the square root of 12,321. I'll start pairing digits from the right hand side. It will be 1 here. The number will be multiplied by 2. 23 will be taken. So obviously if I'll write 2, it will be 44. That is greater than 23. I'll write 1 here. 1 will come here. So this will be 2 and 21 will be taken together. Okay, this number has to be multiplied by 2. 2 will be written as it is. This will be 2. Now if I'll try to multiply by 1, again this will come out to be 221, which is completely divisible. Therefore I can say square root of 1225 divided by 12,321, this will come out to be 35 upon 111. So this will be the square root of the given number. Okay, let us take question number 3. It states that the area of a square field is 23,394 by 729 square meter. Find its side. Now area of the square, that is side square. So we'll consider that rule here. I will let the side of the square be x. If the side of the square be x, automatically the area will be x multiplied by x. Area is already given to us. Now according to the statement, x multiplied by x will be equal to 23,394 upon 729. X into x will become x square. And when I simplify it, that means when I multiply 729 by 23 and 394 will be added to it. This will become 16767 plus 394 divided by 729. Let's calculate it further. So x square will become 17161 divided by 729. Now I need to find the value of x, not x square. That means I will be taking square root to both sides. So taking square root to both sides, we get x is equals to square root of 17,161 divided by 729. I will be finding square root of numerator separately and denominator separately. Let's calculate. So square root of 17161. I'll start pairing digits from the right hand side. This will be 1 here. So multiplied by 2 and I'll put a dash here. I will write 71. That will be taken together. Now next, if I'll try to multiply with 3, let's say 23 into 3, this will become 69, which is less than 71. I'll write 3 here. This will become 69. Okay, now when I subtract it, I get 2 and 61 will be taken all together. According to the rule, 2 will be written as it is. This 3 will be multiplied by 2. It will become 6. Now, if I'll write 1 here, that number will be perfectly divisible. So it will be 261. Okay, now 729. Let's check this with 729. Let's find the perfect square. I'll start pairing the digit from the right hand side. 7 will be as it is. Now perfect square which is less than 7 is 4. That means 2 2s are 4. So this will be 4 here. 3 and 29 will be taken together. This number will be multiplied by 2. It will become 4. Now I need to check number which is divisible or equivalent to 329. Now this digit is ending up with 9. We know a number ending up with 3 or 7 will end up with, the square of that number will end up with 9. So I'll try with 3 first. 129, which is less than 329. Let's try with 7. 47 into 7. Okay, so this number is completely multiplied. I will write 7 here. That is 329. So I can say here x is equals to 131 upon 27. Okay, here numerator is greater than the denominator, and if I try to convert this into mixed fraction, x will come out to be 423 upon 27 meters. So this is the side of the square which we are getting. Related to this, we have question number 4 in exercise 3.6. So students, kindly try that question as well. Now there is one more type in which we need to find the square roots. These are the evaluation questions. Now question number 6, second part. Evaluate square root of 576 plus square root of 196 whole divided by square root of 576 minus 196. Okay, now 576 and 196. In numerator and denominator, both the numbers are same. I need to find the square root. But according to the rule, I will be solving numerator first after finding the square roots, denominator later. Okay, let's first of all, let's find the square root of the given number, 576. I'll start pairing the digits. So perfect square which is near to 5 is 4. That is 2 2s are. So 176 here, it will be 4. I'll put a dash here. I need to find a number which is equivalent to, which is to be multiplied with 4, written with 4, so that I can get 176. When I tried, I found it is coming out to be 4. So this is 176. Okay, next one is 196. Let's try with 196 as well. Pairing from the right hand side, 1 will remain as it is. This number will be 1. Number will be multiplied by 2. 96 here. Number is ending up with 6. That means either 4 will come here or 6 will come here. Let us try with 4 first. So 24 into 4, that will be 16 and 1, 96. Okay, here 4 is coming. 96. That means when I start putting the values, when I try to solve this, this will come out to be 24. Here it will be plus square root of 196 is coming out to be 14. I will write 14 here. In the denominator, again square root of 576 is 24. Sign is negative. And square root of 196 is 14. I will be adding the digits first. This is coming out to be 38 and this is coming out to be 10. I can still reduce this term when I cancel it. 19 and this will come out to be 5. That means 19 upon 5. Okay, so when I evaluate this number, I get 19 upon 5. We can still reduce it to mixed fraction. So this will come out to be again 3. So 4 by 5. So this will be your answer. Okay, now students, in some cases you may find the fraction which is given to you, that is not a perfect square. But when you see the fraction, you can easily make out that the digits can be cancelled out. So this is one of the type we will be discussing now. Question number 7. This is the first part. Now here 720 is not a perfect square. 1125 is also not a perfect square. So what we will do in this case, we will cancel out these terms first. I can see they can be easily cancelled out with 3 and then later 5. So let's reduce to simplest form and check whether it is coming out to be a perfect square or not. Okay, when I start solving this, I get 720, then 1125. I'm cancelling it with 3 first because 7 plus 2, 9. This number is divisible by 3. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. So both the digits are divisible by 3 according to the divisibility rule of 3. So let me cancel it. I will get 240 here and here I will get 345. 24 is divisible by 3, 7 and 5, 12. Okay, these two digits are again, numbers are again divisible by 3. I will get 80 here and here I will get 115. Okay, let's see. Let's continue with this. 80 and 115. 8 is not divisible by 3. I will try this with 5 now. This will become 16 and this will become 25. Now if you see 16 upon 25. Okay, 16 is also a perfect square. 25 is also a perfect square. Now here, long division, whether you do long division or not, but the number, they are quite small. So we can directly write this as 16 can be written as 4 into 4. And 25 can be written as 5 upon 5. That means numerator will be separate, denominator will be separate. And when I simplify, I will get 4 upon 5. So hence, we've actually simplified square root of 720 divided by 1125 into a fraction form. And we found the square roots. So students, in exercise 3.6, all the questions are related to these concepts. Kindly try all the questions and complete your work. Thank you, students.